Hello, and welcome to this self-improvement podcast. I am so glad you are here today. Taking time to improve yourself is the best decision you can make for your future. If you want to practice your English while learning how to build a better life, then this podcast is exactly for you. Listen carefully, focus on the words, and let's grow together. Today, we are talking about a powerful concept: changing your daily habits. Many people think that to change their life, they need to make massive changes overnight. But the truth is, real self-improvement comes from small daily actions. If you improve yourself by just 1% every day, you will be completely a different person by the end of the year. The first area of self-improvement is mastering your morning. How you spend the first hour of your day determines the energy for the rest of your day. Most people wake up and immediately check their phones. They scroll through social media and fill their minds with stress and noise before they even get out of bed. Instead of checking your phone, try a simple routine. Wake up, drink a glass of water, and spend 5 minutes in silence. Think about one thing you are grateful for, and set a clear goal for the day. This simple shift gives you control over your mind and your time. The second area of focus is your input, which means the things you listen to, watch, and read. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant negative thoughts, gossip, and useless news, you will grow anxiety and doubt. But if you protect your input by listening to educational podcasts, reading inspiring books, and practicing a new language like English, you feed your mind with positivity and growth. Remember, you become what you consume. Choose your digital diet carefully. The third area is the rule of consistency over intensity. Going to the gym for 5 hours in one day will not make you fit, but going to the gym for 20 minutes every single day will completely transform your body. The same rule applies to your mind and your English fluency. Don't try to study grammar rules for hours until you feel exhausted. Instead, commit to listening to an English podcast or reading a single page of a book every day without missing a day. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum creates success. Finally, let us talk about the fear of failure. Many people never start their self-improvement journey because they are afraid of making mistakes or looking foolish. But failure is not the opposite of success. It is a vital part of success. Every time you make a mistake while speaking English, or every time you fail to keep a daily habit, you are learning what does not work. Be kind to yourself, forgive your mistakes, and just focus on making progress, not achieving perfection. To summarize today's podcast, focus on 3 simple pillars. Control your morning routine, protect the information you consume, and stay consistent with your small daily habits. You have the power to create the life you want, starting right now. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. If this podcast inspired you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to improve their life and their English. Keep growing, stay positive, and I will see you in the next episode.